Hello kids, I hope you are fine. So today I am going to share a animal story with you all. The name of the story is Zilda the zebra. So there's somewhere in deep jungle there was a zebra named Zelda. Now she has beautiful stripes on her, black and white stripes, beautiful stripes, and she was very proud on her stripes. So जहाँ पर भी वो जाती थी ना, she always used to sing a song. Which song? E-Ipes, E-Ipes, I love my pretty stripes. 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 So she used to roam around in the jungle and she sang this song. Now she eats grass and evening में घर आकर oh my god I'm very tired ऐसे बोलती थी. तो she went to sleep at night and in the morning when she woke up, so she used to remove her stripes. Oh my god, this Zilda the zebra can remove her stripes. Wow, very nice. So वो अपनी stripes को ऐसे remove करती थी और उनको wash करती थी. Wash करते करते she used to sing a song. E-Ipes, E-Ipes, I'm washing my stripes. E-Ipes, E-Ipes, I'm washing my stripes. वॉश करने के बाद वो उसको ऐसे ड्राई करने के लिए रख देती थी और अंदर जाके सो जाती थी. तो वन डे व्हेन ज़ील्दा द ज़ीब्रा, उसने अपने स्ट्राइप्स को ड्राई करने के लिए रख दिया एंड शी वेंट टू स्लीप. फिर वो जब उठी तो उसने बोला नाउ आई एम हंग्री, नाउ आई हैव टू गो इन द जंगल बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू ईट समथिंग. सो शी वेंट टू टेक हर स्ट्राइप्स. What she saw? And she started crying. I lost my stripes. उसकी stripes ही नहीं थी वहाँ पर. I lost my stripes. Someone please help me. Please help me. Please help me. I lost my stripes. तो वहाँ पर ही ऊपर की ब्रांच पे, ट्री की ब्रांच पे एक मंकी सोया था. उठ गया, woke up. उसने देखा नीचे कौन क्राई कर रहा है, किसने इतना बड़ा रैकेट क्रिएट किया है. सो ही सॉ अ वाइट हॉर्स. ही वेंट डाउन एंड ही आस्क्ड हिम, हु आर यू? नाउ ज़ील्दा द ज़ीब्रा सेड, अरे मंकी मैं हूँ ज़ील्दा द ज़ीब्रा. तो monkey said, what happened to you? तो ज़ील्दा द ज़ीब्रा said, monkey, I lost my stripes. Please help me with the stripes. I lost my all stripes. I can't go like this in the jungle. So monkey said, okay, we'll do one thing. We go to the king of the jungle and only he can help us. So they went to the king of the jungle and the lion said, yes, hello monkey, why you are with this white donkey? So the monkey said, oh lion, and the Zilda started crying, अरे lion, the king of the jungle sir, I am not donkey. Zilda the zebra, I lost my stripes. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please, 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 please help me. So the lion said, okay, I will help you. Now you lost your stripes. Okay, so I do one thing. मैं अपनी केव के बाहर जाता हूँ, एक अनाउंसमेंट करता हूँ. So lion announced, yes, hello everyone. This Zilda the zebra lost her stripes. जिसने भी उसकी स्ट्राइप्स ली है उसको रिटर्न कर दो because she is crying very badly. तभी वहाँ से ना एक सॉन्ग की आवाज़ आती है. The song is E-yipes, E-yipes, I stolen zebra stripes. E-yipes, E-yipes, I've stolen zebra stripes. E-yipes, E-yipes, I've stolen zebra stripes. E-yipes, E-yipes, I've stolen zebra stripes. जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं वहाँ पर, ज़ीब्रा, मंकी, लायन, वो सब देखते हैं कि उधर से कौन आ रहा है. उधर से कौन आता है? Tiger. So tiger has also black and white strips, no? So वहाँ से tiger आता है and he sing this song. तो lion बोलता है, yes tiger, why you have taken zebra stripes? So the tiger said, sir, मैं वहीं से जा रहा था, मैंने देखा कि ज़ीब्रा ने अपनी स्ट्राइप्स को रिमूव करके वहाँ पर सुखा दिया है, तो आई हैव टेकन दैट स्ट्राइप्स. So the lion said, okay, now return her back, she is crying very badly, return her stripes back, and this is very bad. हमें किसी की भी चीज़ को बिना पूछे टच नहीं करना चाहिए. So you made a mistake and you will get punished for this. So the tiger said, okay, okay. But Zita was very happy and she started again singing the song, E-yipes, E-yipes, I love my pretty stripes. E-yipes, E-yipes, I love my pretty stripes. So she went back to her home and she slept. And next day in the morning when she woke up, she removed her stripes, washed them, और फिर से उसने ड्राई करने के लिए रख दिया. And she nodded off again. When she woke up, she saw फिर से कोई उसकी stripes ले गया था and she started crying again. I lost my stripes. Someone please help me. I lost my stripes. I lost my stripes. I lost my stripes. Boom. And the story is over. So here from this story, we should learn that we should not harm any animal. जब भी हम किसी भी एनिमल का कोई भी पार्ट ले लेते हैं या उनको हम तंग करते हैं तो they started crying. So we should not hurt any animal. Okay? So promise me you will not hurt any animal. Okay? Otherwise all the animals will start crying like Zelda the zebra. Okay? So Zelda the zebra say bye to everyone. Bye, bye, bye. And Zelda the zebra wants to say something. She wants to say that don't forget to put mask when you are going out. Wash your hands regularly and maintain social distancing. Okay? So bye everyone. Take care. Bye everyone. Take care.